This year, Blackhawk is using a new program from classroom websites called Schoology. This will replace School Fusion and has many exciting features. While students will be instructed in class on how to access their courses, parents will have their own username and password, which they will create themselves. To get started, you'll need a working email address and one access code per child. The following video tutorial will help guide you through directions for accessing your child or children's courses. For first-time users, go to www.schoology.com. In the top right corner, you can click on the button that says Sign Up, and then on the button that says Parent. The very first thing it's going to ask you for is an access code, which your student received in class and should bring home to you. Enter the access code exactly how it looks, even including the dashes. And then hit Continue. Now it'll ask you to sign up. So you have to include your first name, your last name, an email address that works, a password, and to confirm your password. And then it's up to you if you would like to keep the check mark that says Receive Periodic Schoology Updates, or you can uncheck that. And when you're ready, go ahead and click Register. On my next screen, it will walk you through the process of Schoology and how everything is set up. You'll notice that you'll see your name, in this case BSD Parent, in this corner where your user profile is. And on my drop-down menu, I have some options. So I can see my first child, and if I click on her name, I can go in and see all of the courses that she's enrolled in, as well as any groups that she decided to join. If you have more than one child in the district, you can use the same username and password you already set up, and you can just add another child account. Do this by going to www.schoology.com and logging into your already existing account. Once you're on the page, you can click the drop-down menu arrow on the far right corner. You can see that one child is already in there, but I have an option to add a child. Again, you will need your child's unique access code that they were given in class. Be sure to type it in exactly how it looks on the paper, including all of the dashes. And when you're ready, go ahead and hit Use Code. Now if I click that drop-down arrow again, I can see that I have two children in there. And I should be able to switch. So I have Camille right now, and if I drop that down, I can switch to Justine. Again, I can go in and see which courses Justine is enrolled in. Schoology has many exciting features for both students and parents. Starting with the left navigation tools, there are links for a summary of student activity, grades, a calendar, and messages. Keep in mind that although students may have to submit assignments to Schoology, grades will be posted in the online gradebook called SchoolBrains. On the top navigation, there is the Home button, which defaults to student activity, a list of courses that your child is enrolled in, and a list of groups that your child may have joined. Clicking the drop-down menu in the top right corner will give you more options, including setting up your notifications and account settings. There are two notifications available to parents. The first is to receive daily or weekly email summaries of your child's activity. If you switch those to on, you'll get the options for when you want to receive those. The second is to receive email updates when an assignment due date has passed without a submission from your child. Both of these settings can be changed at any time. In the next tab over, in Account Settings, this is where you can change your password. Feel free to explore through Schoology at your own pace. We hope that you found this video helpful, and let's have a great school year.